folks. I got a little, I don't know if it's a tip or just a suggestion. Well, anyway, I originally bought a, this is, if I don't choke to death on video here, I originally bought a cheap Horror Freight, one of these things, Riv Nutters. Don't get me wrong, they work great. This thing does the job. This one goes like this. This one's great. You can just clink and it goes. Anyway, this one works good. In order to get this piece right here, in order to get this one and not have to buy, it was either buy individual one for like $10. I could have bought 3 of them for $30 or bought the whole set plus a few extra. Or buy it for the same price and get one of these. Now I noticed that here's the difference, like this and this. Don't get me wrong, they both work good, but I honestly, here's a suggestion. If you don't have hands like King Kong and don't want to go like this and try to pull down, this one's a pain in the ass. This one, on the other hand, you open it up, put in, screw the thing on there and just go clink and it works. So would I buy one of these or one of these? My recommendation is if you're, I don't know, either got not so strong hands and don't, I mean, look at this. You have to literally, I mean, I don't have large hands. I mean, maybe if you had hands like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson or something, this might work. But it's not easy. You don't get much leverage. And I just did a small one. I did an M3 bolt. So if I were you looking on Amazon or eBay or wherever for one of these, I'd buy one of these. Or buy a hydraulic one. Pneumatic one or something, because this is just stupid. Like, because if you look at these things, well, I'm pretty sure, see, I was doing these ones, right, little tiny ones. Well, I wonder how that handheld one would go with this one. See the difference? You know, this one was tough enough with using my hand. Imagine trying to do that. I don't even know where to get the bit for this one. Not even sure. What is it, a ½ inch? Let's see if I even have one here. Where is it? 6, 8, 32. Nope. 10, 24. I don't even have the bit for that. So I don't even like I honestly don't even know what the hell I'd use that for. But they make some pretty big size. See, I was putting M3 and was it the M6 one was this size. This is another giant one. Maybe you can see this here. See, there's bigger ones. This is the biggest one. There's another quite large one, and they're not, you know, they're not the most. So that's my observation from using this tool. I mean, I had a YouTube channel. I do things, and this is my suggestion. You want to do small, you can do tiny little. Your hand's gonna suck with this. This one, clink, does the job. You can use both hands, get a grip, and it's a little bit awkward because you might have to, like, you know, or try it like this or whatever. But if you don't got King Kong hands and you're like, it's not easy. So, I don't know. That's just my little observation. This is okay. This is much better. And I'm sure the bigger the Riv nut, because I know they make these things like this long. They make bigger ones and all different sizes. This one's no-go. And the only reason why I bought this is so I get more bits. It was the same price for, I think, 6 more bits that I didn't have as buying a 6-piece bit set. So, anyway. Harbor Freight, which is pretty good. Amazon, or no, this was eBay, which probably the same place in China. They both look the same. They both do the same thing. Big hands, both hands, small hands, no. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, watch some of my videos, give me some more watch time, and I'll have plenty more videos. The last video I just made was me riv nutting my, why can't I ever remember? I always point at, I can never forget. I never remember this, the sandblasting machine. So I'm going to finish the top half, put it on the side, and then work on the bottom because it's just a little bit of welding and it's a sandblaster. It doesn't need to be, it doesn't need to look Cadillac. So thanks for watching. Toodles.